At one point today, the Dow was down 350 large points. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, my racquetball day. October 15th, 2014. And the market's here. In the day mix, believe it or not, mix. Small caps in positive territory, not by a little, but by a lot. Small caps, the riskiest of all stocks. Up more than 1% in today's huge bloodbath. Dow down 173 points, down 1%. The S&P down 0.81%. The NASDAQ down about 0.25%. So you have NASDAQ and Russell's leading the charge to the bull side. Banks saying we'll have nothing to do with that. Down more than 2%. VIX spiking higher 15%, but it was up quite a bit more than that. Well over 30 today. Gold up, silver up, crude oil down yet again. US dollar down 1%, helping today's markets. And transportation in bullish territory. The index for transportation up 0.23%, with utilities, which is the defensive sector, down 1.34%. The market's throwing us a huge curveball today. Let's take a look at this and try to extrapolate what took place here. So this is the skinny. Yesterday we had a nice doji. Remember this? Talking about this nice doji, and we talked about banks not doing too badly and small caps not doing too badly. Expecting a bounce today. No way. Some negative news when the economy came out, and boom, to the downside. Huge crash and burn. A lot of fear out there. Then all of a sudden, as we were diving, we thought, I don't think we want to stay down there. And you started seeing it climb higher and higher and higher. About 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, the market started marching higher. And boy, man, it popped up nicely by day's end. So let me tell you what I did. Yesterday, I still had my, which I think I disclosed all this. I had some longs, not very many now, and a hedge. So I kept my hedge. Today I unloaded the hedge. When we started rallying here, I got rid of my hedge, and then I put on some more long positions as we headed higher here. So we have a big, huge, glorious hammer, but with no confirmation we're going to go higher. Zero confirmation that's going to happen. But we do have a promise of that taking place due to this hammer. So this lower shadow is nothing but a bunch of buyers coming in. So you had big demand, little supply here. You had more greed than fear winning out most of the width or the tallness of this candlestick. So most of this candlestick is bullish activity, as you can see here. So if we get a higher high, especially get over 1880 tomorrow, look for a nice chunky white candlestick right here. But I think it's going to smash its head at 1900 or somewhere around that area. So that's something I am looking at. If you look at a weekly chart, we drop. But the real telling chart here, it's not the weekly, it's the monthly. Let me go over to it and show you this. We have support. We come down here. Check this out. We go down to the support area, and guess what? Buyers come in off of that support, and I am in that group. So the question is, Thursday and Friday, will we rally back up to get above 1900? On the weekly, if we get above 1900, that's going to get us back. I'd like to get us back above that trend line on the weekly chart. So that would put us around, I'd like to, by Friday's end, to be above 1913. On the daily, that would put us right up here into this area. A lot of resistance though. So I could see us next couple days getting up there. I'm going to be bullish into that. And however, on all my bull positions, I am not blindly going into this. Although I'm not hedged right now to the downside, I do have trailing stops on 100% of all my longs right now, based off of some great metrics. If you look here at the VIX shot up higher. I think this is the highest the VIX has been since like 2011. You see coming across here, yeah, 2011 was the last time we saw a spike this high in fear. Interesting to see. And a quick look at some tech stocks. BABA was up 0.77%. Now, I did sell out on my BABA. If I would have seen this chart, I might have reloaded. BABA could be a trade here, guys. That could be a low. I missed out on that one. GoPro, which I'm now no longer even a token holder of. I'm out. Dropped down almost 3% today. LinkedIn was up again today, up 1.8%. Taser, which I'm holding, and I'm holding more of now. I added a nice position on that today to finish out the token that I had, up almost 4%. Really good. Twitter, which I'm holding. Twitter, man, that dude is up almost 3% today. So look for more upside with that one. Again, I'm holding that guy. On our stock picks V News, that our AMBA had a big 8.25% rally today. Big pop on AMBA. That's a freebie for you guys that are not part of the stock picks V Newsletter. All right, here's the skinny. I got a new couple slides for you on the next few minutes here, telling you about the mentorship. Listen up to the details for November 15th, 16th, and 17th. Come hang out with me. You've listened to me long enough. Let's hang out together. Catch you later.